So for students to be able to add the Kami extension into Google Chrome, you first have to open up Google Chrome. And once you've opened up Google Chrome, you are going to go to kamiapp.com. When you are here, you're just going to scroll down a little ways. And there's Kami for Chrome Install Extension. You're just going to click Install Extension. Now I already have Kami downloaded on my computer, but right here will be a blue button that says Add to Chrome. And you want to just add it to Chrome and allow it to be added to Chrome. Once you do that, it's going to take you back here to Kami at Kami app, and it's going to look like this, and you're going to hit sign in with Google. Now when I do this, because I've already signed in, it's going to take me to the final screen that you're going to see. But what's going to happen for you is you're going to hit sign in with Google. You're going to enter your bpsschools.com email and your password. It's going to ask what you are, and you're just going to say you are a K-12 student. And then once you do that and say OK, it's going to take you to this screen right here. Now in this screen right here, up in the top right corner over here, you're going to see your initials. And you want to click on your initials, and when you come down, there's this button right here that says Enter License/Coupon, and you want to click on that right there. Then what's going to happen is you are going to type in your code. So your code is going to be your teacher's last name, so not teacher, but whatever your teacher's last name is, dash 4-digit code that they give you. And once you do that, it should say that you were successful in adding Kami. So then what's going to happen is when you see on your end, and you see an assignment, let's say, let me find one that I did. That's not one that I did. So if you find an assignment, then you're going to come over here and you're going to click into it, and you're going to see this. And it's going to say a PDF, and it's going to say open assignment with Kami. Now if you're coming back to Schoology and you had Schoology open already when you added Kami, you're probably going to have to refresh and then see if this comes. If this button shows up, you did it right. So what happens when you click on here is it will bring up the document that your teacher had. Over here you have text box, you have equations, which have a bunch of math symbols that you can do, and again you can do a bunch of different colors with them. You can draw on here, so you can, like for my students, draw labeled arrows. I can draw arrows and make them any pretty color I want. I can change how thick the pen is, any of those things, and do that. Okay? So I can go through and I can mark this all up. I can write text on it, I can put math equations, I can draw on it, I can put shapes on it, whatever the case may be. And then when I'm all done, I'm just going to come up here to this top right and it says turn in. And I just click turn in here, and then it's going to ask me to confirm, and I hit turn in again. It won't let me turn stuff in because I'm the teacher, so it won't let me turn in work to my own class, but that's what the process you do. Turn in, then turn in, and you are done. It automatically sends it to Schoology for your teacher, and you will be all set with that. Good luck using this. Hopefully it works out well for everybody.